Way to go. Living for love. From the outside is Precious Metal. Moving up down on the inside is Karigatan Tiger Boy. Rushing up is Doomstead. Down on the inside is Boss Pogi. Then comes Surprise Call. Under further outside Perfection Saint Mark Rampage Boss Dodding. And Wow West is running at the tail of the field. Karigatan by about 2 lengths, followed by Living for Love. Doomstead is racing on the outside. Then comes Precious Metal, Boss Pogi, and Surprise Call Perfection. Rounding the far turn, Karigatan by a length and a half. Doomstead is on the outside. Living for Love down on the inside. Precious Metal, Boss Pogi, Rampage as they race the final corner. Karigatan, Living for Love down on the inside, and Doomstead out of further outside. Rampage down on the inside. 3 runners fighting it out for the lead. Living for Love, Doomstead is on the outside. It's now Doomstead, Living for Love, Karigatan, and finally Doomstead. Living for Love, Karigatan, Perfection, and Precious Metal for your fan.